Just from looking at this displacement time graph and doing some rough calculation, can you arrive at the answer to the following questions? Let's check out. From the graph itself, it is clear that A lives closer to the school than B. Why? Because from school, the distance of A is less than the distance of B from the school. Okay. From the graph, it is clearly evident. You can see that A starts walking earlier. It starts at 0. B starts at some time later. Who walks faster? Well, this can be judged from the slope of distance time graph. The slope of distance time graph is speed. And clearly we can see that the slope of child B walking is greater than child A. In other words, we can say that B walks faster than A. Why? Because the slope or the speed of B. Slope is nothing but speed. What is slope? Slope is tangent, tan of that line. The tangent is perpendicular divided by base. What is perpendicular? That is distance. And what is base? Base is your time. So in other words, the slope gives us speed. Distance divided by time is nothing but speed. The next question, A or B reaches home in same or different time? Well, they reach at different time, as you can clearly see from the graph. Who reaches earlier? B reaches earlier. Okay. B reaches earlier and walks faster. He is efficient. And the next, B is walking faster and B overtakes A. Where it overtakes? At the intersection point. Well, if you draw a perpendicular line from the intersection to the time axis and to the distance axis, so that intersection point will give you the time where B has overtaken A, also at what distance B has overtaken A. So you will get both the time as well as the distance also. And how many times it overtakes A? Well, B overtakes A only once, as you can clearly see from the graph.